Hello there. Hopefully you guys can hear me fine. We've had this machine for about 2 years now. Um, it's always been this loud. It's actually really good and very efficient at pulling water out of the air. Um, it does pull a decent amount if there is very apparent humidity. Right now I just turned it on about 30 minutes ago, and it's already pulled about 5% out of the bathroom here. We do have a little leak, but one problem with this model is it has a lot of noise, NVH, noise vibration harness, or harshness, sorry. So I discovered earlier that the vibration that you hear right now is mainly from the top panel. So if I simply press on this area right here, it'll kind of go away. Hopefully you can hear that. So there seems to be some form of design flaw with the plastics that are around the body of the machine, and it kind of causes a lot of vibration, which unfortunately you do hear resonating through the house, which can get a little annoying if your house is quite quiet, very quiet, and you can hear it in the floors below as well. We're upstairs right now, but all in all, kind of got worse now. But all in all, it's actually a pretty good machine. But I really hope GE maybe can fix these issues or add some rubber sealing here somewhere to kind of mitigate this vibration from the fan that's just kind of oscillates around. I wish you could zoom in, but you kind of see it. It's not very well balanced, and that kind of causes or encourages vibration from the machine to cause all this noise. But it's pretty good. Pretty good water. It's not as loud when it's idling like this, but once the compressor kicks in to pull the humidity out of the air, that's when it starts to vibrate. Thanks for watching.
Just wanted to review our 35 pint GE dehumidifier. We actually have 2 of these in our 2-story home. Overall, this product is awesome. Highly recommend. It makes our house definitely crispy, and it is not hot and sticky. When it's cold in the house, it doesn't feel freezing cold because of the humidity. It definitely has eliminated a ton of humidity from living in hot Florida humid weather. Our only complaints about it are that it does offset a little bit of heat when it's turned on, but it's not disturbing and it doesn't seem to mess with function. And it is a little bit noisy. We really like the Smart Dry feature, which basically makes it adaptable depending on how close it is to the target level of humidity. And other than that, this product works great. I'll show you guys real quick what it looks like. So pretty small, convenient. Overall, highly recommend this product.
We've had this humidifier for about 2.5 years. I love it. It works amazing. It has a nice large tank. I empty it about once in the morning and once in the evening. It's in my basement. It's an old home in Pennsylvania. Lots of rain, but it really does help to keep the moisture out of the air, just the right amount. I have it set for 65%. And it has a filter in the back. And a nice bucket that you pull out here and empty. And it has done a great job at keeping our basement pretty dry.